Hi guys. So I want to share with you how you go about taking a picture to send that picture to me online, whether you upload it to the Google Classroom platform or Microsoft Teams platform. So we're going to be, I'm assuming that you have a cell phone and you're going to be taking a picture of some work that the student did. And here's an example of something that you can take a picture of, all right? A notebook of some sort. Now, when taking the picture, let's switch to my phone camera. So I'm switching this to my phone camera, and if I have to take a picture, there are a couple ways that I wouldn't want to do it. I wouldn't want to hold the camera away from the book and take a picture like this. Yes, you can get fairly clear pictures, all right, but the reading here is very far compared to the reading here. um, you want to try to get the camera above the book, like so. So you want to see the entire page. If you are just interested in this page, you could move around and block off part of this page. But if you want the entire thing like this, you try to get the camera above the book, directly above the book, getting the entire page and then snapping the picture from here. This is ideally where you want that picture taken, where you're seeing the edges of the page. Again, this is not a good picture to take. Part of the book is blocked off. You're not seeing part of the book right here. All right. So you want it up above where you can get that picture taken. I hope that helps. Bye.